hi to the camera, Donna. Wave. There we go. Donna is having a wonderful day at Mau Mai Beach. And here come the cardinals looking for food. Looking for a sandwich.
Ellen.
Hi.
Are you having a great time?
We're having a wonderful time.
Oh, good. Well, let me know when you're ready to go home.
Okay.
Okay.
Here is Sunny enjoying her day. Wait for the camera, Sunny. Okay, she's too lazy to turn her head, but that's okay.